Hello everyone, this is Dragon Biscuits, and today we're going to be making some slime from YouTube.
So this is going to be giant slime because I just wanted to do giant slime instead of little slime. Because at the store you can get a little slime for like $5. So I'm wondering if this will be cheaper or to like get like the same amount of slime, or if it will be like about the same, or if it will be more.
Alright, so we have this giant tub here that we're going to fill entirely with this Elmer's glue.
It's just an old...
Yeah, it's just an old container. We're just going to pour it all into this container.
We're going to do the colors. We wanted to do purple because that's the color of our mascot, and also I just like purple, and Seth does too.
I'm gonna grab this spoon.
So I'm gonna add that much red. It probably won't be enough, but we can always add more.
Oh yeah, and we're gonna do an ASMR of this as well.
Just for fun.
Well, that's kind of cool.
Yeah.
It looks like about Biscuits. Biscuits is the name of our dragon, by the way. Biscuits the dragon is a purple dragon.
Can you eat glue? Oh yeah, you can eat glue if you want.
Yeah, but you don't want to be one of those kids that eat pastes in school. Do you think we want more color? Let's put some more color in there.
Yeah, probably.
It's a little pastel.
I want it to be rich. Violet.
So what do they do on the videos? Like they get that huge gallon of glue and they pour it out into their tub.
We're probably gonna
So what
want
do
to
they do
the shaving
typically?
cream.
Okay, so they add shaving cream next. Wow, I'm gonna do this too.
So this is raspberry scent.
Yeah, this
so-
is raspberry scented.
We're gonna make fluffy slime, because if this was regular slime, you probably wouldn't put shaving cream in, or not that much, because
Yeah.
this is, shaving cream is mostly just for fluffy slime.
Oh, can you hear it? Shh.
There you go. Red. Blood.
Whoa. Here, you stir for a second.
Seth, that's not what you do. You do it when there's borax.
Listen to it.
This is a part of ASMR. It's slime. So we thought it would be fun to put Orbeez.
They're just basically Orbeez. So yeah, we're gonna use this colander to strain the water out of the Orbeez. Okay. All right, so we're gonna add the Orbeez into our mixture, our slime mixture. This is before we've added any borax, and that's because we think it will be harder to mix the Orbeez in. And it had some water in it.
Orbeez were very popular, like 3 or 2 years ago. But I like the way that they feel, so we're just gonna put them in here. So now we have to make the solution.
Catalyst. We have to make the catalyst.
Whatever you want to call it, Seth.
Okay, so we're gonna make our setting solution now for our slime. which usually has borax in it. So we have borax here. So we're gonna put 16, I'll put 16 cups of warm water in this. Okay, yeah.
So I'm gonna start putting these in. About 16 of them.
It's questionable if it will. Like 16.
It holds it up. That's good.
Alright, so we're just dissolving the borax at this point, and it looks like it's almost done. Yeah, it's done.
This is our ASMR of stirring water.
Okay,
It's gonna be hard to
let's
move
move
it.
the slime back over. Okay. So do you just add it into there? Or?
Gradually.
Ooh. I can feel it already getting solid. Oh wow. Look at that. Holy cow, maybe we don't need any more
You're gonna get one.
borax. Oh. Okay.
The thing with it is that you have to make sure that it doesn't stick when you're doing it. So you're probably gonna want to add more.
Yeah, it's still sticking to my hands quite a lot. It's still stuck to my hands though.
So I'm gonna add some more borax. I spoke a little.
Oh, that's so slimy.
Well, it is called slime.
Yes.
I'm gonna add a little more stuff. Can I try this?
Sure.
Okay. We're
You
gonna.
mix over on that side, I'll mix on this side.
Well, maybe we should switch. You add the stuff while I mix.
You just need to mix it right now, because I can tell that there's like pockets of borax. It's just not getting mixed in very good.
This isn't like this is perfect.
Yeah, we're still mixing in the fixing solution. You can tell that that it's getting a lot more solid. The Orbeez are coming out. It's kind of funny. They can stick them back in.
They probably will stick back in once it gets more not wet.
Stick them in there.
Stick them in.
Fold it in.
They must stay. Ah. Oh wait, I want to do this. Is it stretchy though? Yeah, it's more like putty.
Yeah, I think we added too much borax. All the Orbeez
feels-
kind of bounce out.
Really nice. Even if it's like not the stretchiest, it still feels really nice.
How can we make it more stretchy? Is there any way that we can
Well, I
add
thought
more?
saline might help a little.
No, I think that's a fixing solution too,
Only if you add baking soda.
because it is a salty kind of water, so
Maybe if we added more shaving cream, it would be
maybe.
good. Just a little.
Let's add some more shaving cream.
Almost.
We don't need more shaving cream. Oh, I can't even open this. Oh, there we go. I don't think the shaving cream is really getting integrated into it, because I think we've already denatured the proteins in the glue, and so it's not really, but it's kind of interesting. So we're gonna take the slime out and start playing with it. I don't know what.
Oh no!
Oh my goodness. So all the Orbeez aren't like staying. L'Oreal's arm is caught in it. The Orbeez aren't staying in very good. So I don't know if that was a good idea or not.
Maybe it's because it's slippery.
Yeah, it's very slippery and they don't seem to like each other, so they don't
Let me see if I can stick some
chemically
in there.
want to stay.
Yeah. They just fall out.
Move the tub. Oh my gosh. I don't know about these Orbeez.
Yeah, they're not sticky.
Yeah, these don't stay in, so I don't think I would recommend putting in any Orbeez in the future. Even though they're just, especially if you have small animals like a dog, because your dog will eat these and they're not supposed to eat these. These are not edible.
Life lessons.
Yes. So oh, look at that Orbeez got totally smushed in.
So
Completely destroyed.
that
It's not focusing.
let's see how far it can stretch. So we're just gonna
Let's stretch it out. Gosh. Oh my gosh.
So it might stretch out pretty far because it's still going.
I don't think the Orbeez were a good idea at all. No. Oh well.
We should have just done beads.
Well, I think the beads would have the same problem as the Orbeez.
Go put the beads in them right now.
No, I don't want to put these in it.
We're gonna give it a rating now of how good it is. So I think that overall, it's a better deal to just make your own. Because if you bought like all of these slimes at the store and they're like $5 for like that much slime, then I think it would be a better deal because
So like this is how much you get at the store, right?
yeah, for one, and that's $5. The glue costs $10. I don't know how much the borax costs. $5.
Yeah, but you get this whole box. Like, and you use this on your lumber too.
Shaving cream was about $1.50 per bottle. I think it's a better deal. The saline was pretty cheap too. So I think it's a better deal. If you want to make your own homemade large slime, without the Orbeez though, because the Orbeez,
Yeah, the
We're not
Orbeez
a
didn't
good.
work very good.
but they're fun to like play with.
So how many dragon biscuits does this need?
I think it deserves about 4.5 just for when we put the Orbeez
Yeah.
in. Yeah, so.
I would have to agree. I think that it was really easy to make. This was probably one of the easiest projects that we've ever done so far. So yeah, I would give it 5. I think I would give it a 4 because our ideas of adding the Orbeez did not work.
Tell us in the comments what if you agree.
Yeah. So if you liked our video, make sure that you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. And we look forward to talking with you next week.
Okay. And since it's fall, make sure to give it an automatic like. Mocha says goodbye.
Mocha says hi. Oh, she's looking at my hand. All right, we're gonna do, for your pleasure, some ASMR noises for you. Because everyone does ASMR noises on YouTube.
Yeah, let's do it.
So we have to whisper. Because everyone on ASMR whispers when they're doing their ASMR videos.
Like eating Whoppers.
So, this is the sound that our slime makes. I don't know if this is very relaxing or not for you.
And now we shall do some popping noises also for your pleasure.
relaxing. I don't know if I find this relaxing.
We must fold it over now. Look how beautiful it is.